Defending champions Kingston Hummingbirds will batter the Manchester Spurs in the Berger Elite Netball League final following their semi-final victories on Saturday at the National Indoor Sports Centre. In the first match of the doubleheader, the Hummingbirds carved out a 59-52 win over the Centre and Orchids. After the first quarter ended 16-13 in favor of the Kingston franchise, the Orchids found it tough in the second quarter, scoring just 2 goals as the Hummingbirds closed the half, leading 31-15. The Centre and franchise improved in the second half, but the Hummingbirds ended the third leading 45-34 and closed out the match by scoring a further 14 goals. Sabrina Spence led the way for the Hummingbirds with a game-high 41 goals, some 51 attempts, while Christina Harwood scored 26 goals for the Orchids.
First, I must say thanks to the team. I think they played well, and I think the other team, they pushed us to the limit. They really played well. The planning at the training session was to play patient and to play very smart. And in the third quarter, second and third quarter, we really played well and played smart netball. Keep the concentration level right through the second and the third quarter.
In the second semi, a second-half surge from the Manchester Spurs propelled them to a 60-40 win over the Clarendon Gators. The Spurs took a 16-10 lead after the first quarter, but saw that lead reduced to just 1 goal as the half ended 26-25. However, the Manchester franchise took control in the third as they ended the quarter leading 41-31. They then added a further 19 goals and restricted the Gators to just 9 to seal the victory. Annika Griffiths netted 46 of her 55 attempts for the Spurs, while Amanda Pickney scored 29 of her 32 attempts for the Gators.
Well, we met this team twice and we did all our assignments. Then coming out today, we know that it wouldn't be an easy game, but we have the skills, we have the talent, so the ladies just held their composure. We were like neck to neck, tie and tie in the second quarter. Nonetheless, the ladies picked it up and we managed to pull away.
The Hummingbirds and the Spurs will meet in the best of the 3 final beginning on Monday at the National Indoor Sports Centre. Game 1 starts at 7:30 with live coverage on TVJ Sports Network.